Teacher Sharon, your TLE Food Processing teacher. This week, we will be dealing with personal entrepreneurial competencies. For today, you're expected to, first, identify the meaning of entrepreneur. Second, define the qualities of good entrepreneur.
To start with our lesson, take a look at these photos. Are you familiar with these people? Top 10 most successful Filipino entrepreneurs. Top 10 Rahul Laurel. 9 George Young. Number 8 Ben Chan. 7 Socorro Ramos. Top 6 Jose Concepcion Jr. Top 5 Tony Tan Gakchong. Top 4 Andrew Tan. 3rd John Gokong Wei. Top 2 Lucio Tan. And top 1 Henry C. Those are the top 10 most successful Filipino entrepreneurs. How they become successful, what are their qualities and skills to become a successful entrepreneur. You will learn all of this as we go on with our lesson. Let's have first a pre-test. This will measure your prior knowledge and the concepts to be mastered throughout the lesson. For your task activity 1, to determine prior learning, select the correct answer by writing the letter on the blank provided on each number. Match the entrepreneurial competencies in column A with their meaning in column B. Write the letter of the correct answer in your TLE worksheet. For your task activity 2, name at least 5 Filipino entrepreneurs famous in different businesses. Write your answer on the space provided below. I will give you 5 minutes to answer the task activity 1 and task activity 2. Your timer starts now.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feeling like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thread.
Okay, are you done? Time is up. Let's check your answer for the pre-test activity 1. Please check your own paper and please be honest in checking. By matching the entrepreneurial competencies in column A with their meaning in column B, the answer of number 1, which is creative, is E, innovative to have edge over other competitors. Who got the correct answer? Very good. For number 2, profit-oriented, the meaning is always looking for income, and the correct answer is letter K. Number 3, discipline. Its meaning is skillful in record keeping. The correct answer is letter G. Let's proceed to number 4, decision making. The answer is make a wise decision towards the set objectives. The correct letter is letter A. For question number 5, people skill, meaning effective and efficient communication in relation to people. The correct answer is letter J. For number 6, planner, it means always stick to the plan. The correct letter is letter H. For number 7, self-confidence, meaning you have a trust in one's ability. The correct letter is letter C. For question number 8, hard-working, the correct answer is letter I, work diligently. For number 9, ability to accept change, it means adaptable to change. The correct answer is letter D. And last but not the least, number 10, committed, the correct answer is letter F, solid dedication. Who got the perfect score? I think you've got all the correct answer. Very good. And now let's proceed to our lesson. Let us discuss the good qualities of entrepreneur. There are some of the following qualities of becoming a good entrepreneur. Number 1, opportunity seeker. An opportunity seeker is someone who can see a chance and jump into it. Number 2, risk taker. Certain types of people enjoy taking risks, while others prefer stability and are averse to any type of risk. A risk taker is someone who risks everything in the hope of achievement or accepts greater potential for loss in decisions and tolerates uncertainty. Number 3, goal setter. Goal setting is the best way I know to transform lofty solutions into bottom-line results. Research shows that when entrepreneurs set measurable goals for themselves, they're more likely to achieve them. One qualities of a good entrepreneur is excellent planner. A good entrepreneur creates business plan before engaging into business, having a principle of think before making a move, before engaging into business. Moreover, the entrepreneur does not go beyond actions not according to the plan. A good entrepreneur also confident problem solver. It is the ability of solving problems logically by using critical thinking. A good entrepreneur also a hardworking, a person tending to work with energy and commitment. Number 7 qualities is persistent. The ability of continuing firmly or obstinately in a course of action in spite of difficulty or opposition. Number 8 committed worker. A person having a feeling dedication and loyalty to a cause, activity, or job, wholeheartedly dedicated. Number 9, self-confidence. Entrepreneurs have confidence in one's ability and own judgment. They exhibit self-confidence in order to cope with all the risks of operating their own business. Number 10 qualities is discipline. Successful entrepreneurs always stick on the plan and fight the temptation to do what is unimportant. Number 11 qualities is ability to accept change. Nothing is permanent but change. Change occurs frequently. When you own a business, you should cope up and thrive on changes. Capitalize on positive changes to make your business grow. Number 12, creative. An entrepreneur should be creative and innovative to stay in the business and in order to have edge over the other competitors. Number 13, has the initiative. An entrepreneur takes the initiative. You must put yourself in a position where you are responsible for the failure or success of your business. One qualities of good entrepreneur is profit-oriented. An entrepreneur enters into the world of business to generate profit for additional income. This shall become the bread and butter for you and our family as well. Therefore, you must see the business can generate income. Those are the good qualities of entrepreneur. If you want to become a good entrepreneur, you should be an opportunity seeker, risk taker, goal setter, excellent planner, confident problem solver, hardworking, persistent, committed worker, self-confidence, discipline, ability to accept change, creative, has the initiative, and you have to be a profit-oriented. We will also discuss the important skills of a successful entrepreneur. An entrepreneur should be a planner. Planning is strategic thinking and setting of goals to achieve objectives by carefully maximizing all the available resources. A good entrepreneur develops and applies step-by-step plans to realize goals. A good entrepreneur knows that planning is an effective skill only when combined with action. An entrepreneur should also have people skills. It's a very important skill in order to be successful in any kind of business. People skills refers to effective and efficient communication and relation to people working in and out of your business. A well-developed people skill can spell out the difference between success and failure of the business. An entrepreneur should also have a decision making. Successful entrepreneurs have the ability to think quickly and to make a wise decision towards predetermined set objectives. No one can deny that the ability to make wise decisions is an important skill that an entrepreneur should possess. An entrepreneur should be creative. Successful entrepreneurs have the ability to be unique or become creative in their own way, expressing their own identity and to become known on their craft, becoming an expertise.
That's all for today. For your home task, please identify the meaning of personal entrepreneurial competencies. Again, this is Teacher Sharon. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.